Hey, what's up guys? So in this video, we will see how to set up Hey Google on the Samsung Galaxy A36 or the A56. Now to do that, just open the Google app, then tap on the profile icon. From here, just go to Settings and tap on Google Assistant. Now just tap on Voice Match and enable Hey Google. Now just tap on More and select I agree. Now just say the following sentences. Hey Google, help me write a thank you note. Hey Google, what's the weather tomorrow? Okay Google, explain how a rainbow is formed. Okay Google, set a timer for 5 minutes. Then tap on Next. Now as you can see, we have successfully enabled Hey Google on our smartphone. Now to use the Google Assistant, just say, Hey Google, set a timer for 5 minutes.
I have set a timer for 5 minutes. It will go off at 4:08 p.m.
And this is how you can set up Hey Google on the Samsung Galaxy A36 or the A56. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you for watching.